couple other little tips and tricks to get good traction when you start to go too far to the right or to the left. So when you are working on a steep roof, I want to teach you just the pendulum effect here real quick. Okay, whenever you're working on a steep roof, what you want to do once you get kind of the top peak portion done, you want to see how far down can you extend before you go over the gutter line. So right here, I really can't move that lever down any further, because if I fall or if I slip, I'm going to fall over the gutter line. Even right now, this is what I call a little bit of an overextension. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come this way. And you're going to see that as I come this way, I'm creating like a half moon shape as I go up the roof. See like how it kind of creates a half moon shape? Now, why do I still have traction right here? Because I'm kind of pulling, I'm putting my weight on the rope. And that's allowing me to have more traction than I should. So if you need to reach a weird area of the roof, this is a little trick that you can do, is to actually pull on that rope, and it provides additional traction. So typically I shouldn't be able to just stand here like this, but it's only because I'm pulling on it that I can. But this is also as far as I can possibly go. So watch this. What if I I really want to get to this spot, I really want to reach an area, and I extend my rope a little bit further. Maybe there's some moss growth over here that I just really need to get to. But I just extended past where my fall point is at the gutter line. So what happens if all of a sudden I slip and I fall down the roof? Now I'm going to get to about here and I'd probably fall over the gutter line because I went past the overextension area. So this is what I call the pendulum effect. I really can't go, I should never allow my rope lever to go past wherever the pendulum meets up with the gutter line.